Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a YouTube Kid profile. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to click on YouTube and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the setting icon at the top right. Click on Family Center. So inside this window, it will give you the option to add a YouTube Kid profile. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter the password for the current email address. So once you've entered the email address, let me make sure it is correct. So once you enter the password, it will prompt you to create a profile for your kid. Let's say I wanted to create a profile 7 years old, and then I have to click on next. So it will ask you to choose the age for the kids. This will make sure that YouTube only recommend the videos of those age. Let's say my kid is around 5 to 8. I'm gonna click on younger and then click on next and then click on select. So it will ask you to turn on the search function or turn off this. So if you don't want your kid to search anything, you can turn this search function off and then click on next. And then this is how you add the kid profile to YouTube.